Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Next, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Now, click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. Then click on End-to-End Encryption. Click on Security Alerts and turn it off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.